All right, so let's go over the company pages here on LinkedIn. So they just changed this up here not too long ago, and they've completely kind of redesigned the whole entire LinkedIn pages section here. But I want to go ahead and walk you through how to create one here, and bear with me because it's been a while since I created one of these. Because they just recently changed this, like I mentioned. But let's go ahead and get this rolling here. So let's go with ABC Corporation. Okay, and then ABC, let's go ABCD Corporation. And then the website here would be https://www.abcd corporation. Okay, and then here you have a page preview. We don't need that yet, so .com. Company details, so you would select whatever industry you're in here. So let's say we're in marketing, advertising. Let's see where this is at here, right there. Company size, if you want to do 0 to 1, I like to always put 2 to 10 for the most part there. Depending, obviously, if I have more than 10 employees, I'm going to put more. You're most likely going to be a privately held company, and then you'd want to upload a logo there, and then you go there and you go to create page. Now, I'm not going to do that because I already have a page that I want to kind of show you, but that's essentially how simple it is to create a page. So here we are on one of my brands here as far as the security leads on demand. Now, like I said, they just changed this up here, and the whole entire format of this company page is different than when I initially set this up. So let's see if we can look at this as a member. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, if you are a member, but what you can do is you can add a cover here, and this is the dimensions. You want to add a tagline here. We are the #1 security leads company in the market. Right, and let's go to save. Right here, boom, fantastic. So that's good there. Let's see how that looks. We're the #1 security leads company in the market, right? Nice and simple. Okay, great. And then here is where if you want to have a post, there's a lot of companies out there that are larger, and maybe if you're even a smaller organization, and maybe you're like a software company or some sort of company that where it makes sense for you to have different updates, different content being posted. Let's even go here and look at like just a nice and simple example here, Microsoft, right? They have a lot of different updates, a lot of different videos. So they're staying consistent with their content so that people are noticing and seeing that, hey, this business is legit. They are serious about their online presence. They're making posts, right? They have updates. And this often makes sense if you're really looking to build that long-term brand. So highly recommend that if you're going to utilize, different, updates here, that you get a automated tool to do this for you. Because if you're creating this content every single day by yourself and you're creating it from scratch, I mean, you're going to be utilizing a lot of time that can be used trying to get more clients, right? Trying to get more customers. So there's different tools out there that can actually help you go out and find different content that is relevant to your specific niche. So a good example of this would be like, let's say Q. I think this is the content curation on autopilot. So this is a fantastic tool here, and I think it's like $10 a month. So $0 per month and then $19 per month. Very inexpensive. But what this does is it actually allows you to like type in a search filter of, let's say, digital marketing or consulting or manufacturing, whatever that may be, right? And it'll pull up a series of websites and content pieces that have been created all across the web, and you can have it go out on autopilot with a auto posting tool such as like Buffer or Hootsuite, and I'll just briefly show you those as well. So this is Neil Patel. He's a huge content marketing expert. He talks about Q being the tool for you. By putting your social media content curation on autopilot, you'll have more time for other areas of your business. So like I said, they essentially provide you with different topics, content pieces that you can just literally grab and auto post on all your different platforms. So let's say like Buffer. So Buffer is a tool here that you use to essentially curate the content and then auto post it onto your different platforms. So let's say that you wanted to go to Q and you wanted to find interesting articles, interesting pieces of content, right, that you wanted to share not only with your actual readers, your subscribers, your connections, whatever that may be, on like Facebook, Instagram, all these different places, but on LinkedIn, because you can post different updates on your personal profile, right, with like updates, and then also on your business page for updates as well. You can have those pushed out to those particular areas so that people are seeing that you're consistent with your posting, you're active, and you're looking to engage with others. So highly recommend that if you're going to be creating a business page and you want to stay active on LinkedIn. The more that you can post here. I haven't posted anything here because it's LinkedIn isn't my number one source of client attraction, and the company pages, these are just kind of like little brands that I have on the side to test, to kind of find out in the marketplace if a market is saturated enough for me to come in there and take a piece of the pie, and then if I find that it's a good market to go after, then I'll go full on with the brand and everything. So highly recommend that you come in here, play with this tool here as far as the company page creation, add all the information that you need there. Here you can edit this, right? Overview, locations, hashtags, all this stuff, and look at the Buffer tool and the Q tool as well. So that's it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.